Good day everyone! Welcome to TLE class, Beauty Care, Nail Care Services. Our lesson for today is about personal protective equipment. What is personal protective equipment or PPE? Personal protective equipment refers to protective clothing or other gear designed to protect the wearer's body or clothing from injury by electrical hazards, heat, chemicals, and infections for job-related, occupational health, and safety purposes. It is very important to use PPE at work. We must observe the instructions for use, maintain them well, and check regularly if they still offer sufficient protection. Here are the different types of personal protective equipment to guarantee your safety at work. Safety for the head. This offers protection for the head and can prevent head injuries, such as helmets, caps, hoods, and hats. Safety for the eyes. This provides prevention from bright light, radiation, and other eye injuries such as spectacles, goggles, shields, and visors. Safety for the ears. This provides protection from high sound levels such as earmuffs and plugs. Safety for the nose. This offers protection against fine dust and other dangerous particles, such as disposable masks, safety masks with cartridge, and respirators. Safety for the hands. This provides protection against cuts by sharp materials or splashes from chemicals, such as gloves, gauntlets, mitts, and armlets. Safety for the feet. This provides protection for the feet against heavy weights and other feet injuries such as shoes, boots, and rubber soles. Correct work clothing. This provides protection from workers' clothing, such as aprons, smock gown, jackets, high visibility jackets, and clothing made from strong fabric. In nail care services, PPE for nail care workers protects their skin from possible infection as well as their clients. Wearing safety equipment provides some protection in case of chemical splashes and airborne nail or artificial nail particles and eye irritations. Personal protective equipment is clothing equipment designed to be worn by a nail technician or salon workers to protect them from risk or injury or illness. It should only be considered as a control measure when exposure to a risk cannot be minimized in another way or when used in conjunction with other control measures as a final barrier between the nail salon worker from the chemical hazard and other cause of hazards. This clothing equipment does not control hazard at the source equipment, which will protect you from risk to health and safety. Advantages of wearing PPE at work: to prevent damage to workers' nails and skin, to prevent skin from absorbing potentially harmful ingredients which may cause allergies, irritation, or other related problems. So as not to generate a lot of dust, it may be necessary to wear a dust mask to minimize breathing in particles while filing or buffing nails, and to protect the wearer's face and prevent the breathing of air contaminated with chemical and other biological agents. Nail Care Services Personal Protective Equipment. Gloves, a garment covering for the whole hand. Smock gown, it is a loose cloak or robe worn to protect the clothes. Mask is a protective face covering for hygienic purposes and to prevent the face from chemical exposure. Headband is a band of absorbent material worn on or around the head across the forehead to keep the sweat and the hair off the face. And last, protective eyewear. It is used to protect the wearer's eyes and prevent from chemical and or biological agents. That's all. I hope you have learned something today. See you on our next lesson.